Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to make a beautiful watercolor and stencil cake. Our first step is stacking the layers, just like shown in the video. With a chilled cake, start doing the crumb coat. Take your cake to chill again in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Now apply a second layer of buttercream. Don't forget to take off the excess with your scraper. Work on the top of your cake as well. Take your cake to chill again in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Apply the last layer of buttercream onto your cake and smooth the sides with your scraper. Apply enough buttercream so that your cake is completely covered. Now let's make the watercolor design. With your chilled cake, apply the darkest color and scrape it off the excess. Take the cake again into the fridge for about 20 minutes. Now apply the lightest color and take it off the excess as well. Now let's make the stencil design. With a chilled cake, place the stencil in front of the cake and apply soft buttercream, taking off the excess afterwards. One of the things I love to use on my cakes is edible glitter, to give the cake a special spark and make it more interesting with more details. Now let's do my favorite part. Decorate the cake with fresh flowers and berries. My tip here, use buttercream to glue the berries onto your cake. And don't forget to make your flowers safe to put on your cake. Remembering that different heights give an elegant look to your design. Add your berries and the fresh flowers onto your cake until you're satisfied with your bouquet. But don't forget, also decorate the back of your cake. Here I also added some edible glitter to the berries and to the flowers. Now your cake is ready. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, see you in the next video.